everybody, welcome back. This is Kim. Today I'm going to talk to you about Amazon Prime and why I think it's worth the $119 annual fee. I'm going to go over a few of the benefits. There's a lot more. I'm just going to pick my favorites and tell you about them, and hopefully that will convince you. If you haven't heard about Prime Day, that's worth it there sometimes. I'm not sure what the deals are going to be this year, but anyways, I'm going to talk about that later. I have these tabs already created with information on each thing. So this is Prime Video. This is included with Prime. It's like Netflix. You can watch tons of movies. When you go to the Prime Video page, it looks like this. If it has a $sign on it, it's not included and you have to buy it. But if it says Prime, it's included. So you can watch all these movies. You scroll down, there's tons. These are for purchase, obviously, the brand new movies, but there's a lot on here. Anyway, so you just click on them and play them, just like on Netflix or any other video site. It's cool, and you can search, or you can just pick one. Here's the free to me, different channels. Here's categories. You can choose, so the categories are over here, so you can pick from there. It's real easy to use. So anyways, that's the first benefit that I think is worthwhile. Save you some money. If you don't want to use Netflix, you can use this. Okay, Amazon Photos. This is pretty cool. This is an app that you use on your device, and you can basically store your videos on Prime. Because you're Prime. You store it on Amazon servers, obviously, because you're a Prime member. You can see, if you have the Fire TV, you can show them on your TV through the Amazon Fire Stick. You can just save them up there so that you can view them later. So you could just basically use it as storage, but you can also view it on your devices. But it's free, it's included, so you get 5 gigabytes. You can put video too. So anyways, you can add more. Oh, that's right. They changed it. So you can get unlimited online photo storage, but 5 gigabytes of video storage. So pretty good. So that's another one, which is pretty awesome. And then next, this is the reading. So it's the Kindle books. Any device, anytime, anywhere. There's a lot of free books. Some of them you do have to pay for, but there are a lot of free ones. There's magazines, comics, Kindle singles, and more. So you Kindle Unlimited is an additional cost, but if you just go to Prime Reading, which is right here, learn more about Prime. Is this one? No. That was wrong. Sorry. Prime Reading. Okay. There we go. It just took a second. So here's all the books. If they have the little Prime thing on there, they're free. There's kids' books, Pete the Cat. It's fun. So they're categorized. You can browse a catalog. So you have your library. You can read them on your computer. You can read them on your iPad, on your iPhone. If you have an actual Kindle, you can download the books so you can read them offline. So if you're going to be on an airplane or something and you don't have internet access, you can download the books. It's very cool. There's a lot of free ones, but you have to search for them. Okay, next is Amazon Music. It's like Pandora or Spotify, but it's like the free version of those. the unlimited is their premium, and that is not included. You get 4 months for 99 cents, but it's not included with your Amazon Prime. But the Amazon Prime Music is. So just, so here, listen offline, hands-free listening with Alexa, thousands of stations and top playlists. So if we go to listen now, so you have all your categories over here, and these are all included. Everything in Amazon Music. It's only when you get to the unlimited stuff that you'll have to pay extra for. So that's, I think you should explore this. Okay, this is Amazon Pantry. It's like grocery, household items. They're from Amazon. So like you click on grocery, or I'm just going to show you what it looks like. You're looking for this pantry. So this is separate from your normal cart. Inside of Amazon, you'll have a pantry, except cart. And you need to spend $35 to get free shipping. I added some things in there. I don't have enough for free shipping. Let's add $2. Here, I'll add one of these. Okay, so now I have enough for free shipping. It's $35 you have to spend, which is not a big deal. But the stuff is pretty good price. You know, like $4 for some cereal, family size of cereal. So here's a whole box of crackers for $1.50. So they're good prices. If you search for this same item on the regular part of Amazon, it's going to cost more. They have coupons, 10% coupon if you bought this, $1 coupon on this one. So anyways, Pantry's pretty cool, and they deliver it fast, just like all the other Amazon stuff. Okay, so the next feature is Prime Wardrobe. This is really fun. So you can have up to 8 items. So you basically, what you do is you find clothes that you're interested in. You don't pay anything up front. So pick 8 items. They send it to you in a box. You try it all on. Let's say you only want 2 of them. You put the other 6 back in the box. They have a label on there that you just pop on it. You go drop it off at the post office, and then you're only charged. Once they get the box back and they see that you kept 2 of them, they'll charge you for those 2 items. So it's fun. I enjoyed it. I've done it several times, especially for my husband, because he won't go shopping with me. So I just have to buy clothes for him, and so he'll have to try them on, and of course nothing fits. Or he doesn't like it, so, and you just send it back. It's free, costs nothing with your Prime Wardrobe. They now offer a personal shopper. I've never done that, but it sounds kind of fun. So I guess they'll pick your wardrobe for you. Here's what it say. You have 2 great options to bring the fitting room home and try before you buy. With Prime Wardrobe, you get to fill up your box with items to try on at home. Personal Shopper by Prime Wardrobe has the ultimate convenience of a personalized shopping experience. With either option, you order clothing, shoes, and accessories, and take 7 days to decide what you love and only pay for what you keep. Returns are easy and free with our resealable packaging. Anyways, I'm not sure. So that's another fun feature of Amazon Prime. Moving along, if you have Prime, sometimes you can get free same-day delivery or one-day delivery, where everyone else just gets 2 days. You have to look for an item that says free same day. It'll be inside the item description, and if you have Prime and you're logged in, it will give you that option. So that's a really amazing thing if you need something quick. I have not played with this at all. I read about it just now when I was trying to prepare for this video. It's Prime Gaming, and it gives you access to Twitch, which is streaming of games. You can get free games, in-game content. Yeah, anyways, I haven't looked into it, so I'm not really sure what it is, but it basically says you get some PC games for free each and every month, and they change, and it's free. So the Twitch channel, that's so you can watch other people playing games. I guess that's a new thing now. People like to watch other people playing games. I'd rather play myself, but that's okay. So the games that you get for free, you get to keep forever. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm going to play with that later. Okay, Whole Foods is now owned by Amazon. And if you go shop at Amazon, you get the Whole Foods app, and you log in with your Amazon Prime account, you get discounts. They have special pricing. Like, you go through the store, you'll see these little stickers and signs. So you can get things cheaper. Get free 2-hour delivery from Whole Foods. And if you have the Prime Visa, you get 5% back at Whole Foods. So, yeah. I love Whole Foods. It's a great store. Okay, you can share your Amazon Prime with one person, with the other adult, your spouse or a friend or whoever, and they get all the same benefits. You can read through this page, but basically they get Prime shipping, Prime Now, Amazon Fresh, video streaming, reading, photos, Amazon First Reads, Prime Early Access, exclusive pricing on Amazon Music Unlimited, etc., etc., etc. So that's a big savings right there. Prime Early Access is a feature that gives Prime members 30-minute early access to lightning deals on Amazon. So that's very helpful if there's a popular item coming up. You can watch the lightning deals, and it tells you what time they're coming. If it's coming at 2 o'clock, that means at 1:30, Prime members can order it. And sometimes it's gone before the regular time to start is even comes around, because all the Prime members buy it all. So watch those. This is early Prime Day deals. You can start shopping early on Prime Day. If you don't know what Prime Day is, it's a special day that Amazon has. It's a 2-day. It's normally in July. This year, it is this coming weekend, October 13th and 14th. That's not really this weekend. That's next week. I'm not sure what days the 13th and 14th are. I don't have a calendar in front of me. But maybe Tuesday next week? Anyways, 13th and 14th. So they have special deals for Prime members only. And last year, there were quite a few great deals. Like, I didn't buy it because I already had one, but the Instant Pot was really popular, and I know they had those. And Roomba vacuums are always a big hit. The Kindles, there's a lot of things. So that's Prime Day. And this just gives you more details on the purchasing of your Prime membership. You can pay monthly, or you can pay all at once. So it's $12.99 a month, or $119 if you pay annually. So yeah. So Prime Day is coming. Don't forget about that. 13th and 14th. You can get a Amazon Prime membership, trial membership, and buy some stuff on Prime Day and then cancel the membership, I guess. I don't know how. I don't feel good about that, but it may not bother you to do that. You're still paying for things. It's not like you're getting it free. You're just getting a deal. So Amazon Prime is really fun, and it's a great way to get started on your holiday shopping and have things delivered for free. So that's Amazon Prime benefits that I find valuable, and I think it's definitely worth the $119 annual charge. I'll tell you what, just for the free shipping alone, I think by a month after I pay my membership fee, I've covered that. We order a lot of things, and it's free, and it doesn't matter how much it weighs. We buy big computer UPSs that cost, they weigh like 50 pounds. I don't even know how much it would cost to ship, but, they ship them to us for free. It's great. So I love Amazon. I love Amazon Prime, and I think you should give it a try. So thank you for listening to my video, and please click like and subscribe so you can find me again.